This video will show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Mazda 3. This will be located behind your glove box. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Open your glove box and remove anything from on the inside. We don't want anything to fall out as we continue on. Now once you've removed everything from inside of the glove box, you're going to pay attention along each side of the glove box itself. The sides are flexible. We're going to take hold of each, pull them inward enough that we can bring the glove box down to a point we can gain access behind it. Now inside this area is where we can see our cabin air filter. Now looking at the cabin air filter, it does have a tab that you can grab onto. Looking at our particular cabin air filter, it looks as though the last person has installed it upside down. That tab should be down along the bottom center. I'm going to pull this out of position, making sure that nothing that's along the top of the cabin air filter falls down inside of the blower motor. There it is, friend. After a quick inspection of the cabin air filter housing, it's time to install the cabin air filter itself. As I mentioned during the removal process, there's one tab in the center that should be facing downward. The original cabin air filter was upside down on this particular vehicle. We'll take this and carefully slide it into position. That should slide in until you hear an audible click from either side. Once you feel as though you do have it in position, take hold of it and attempt to gently pull it out. It should not easily slide out of place. Continuing on, let's squeeze the sides of that glove box together again. We'll bring this to the upright position, reinstall anything that belongs inside the glove box. Now we can close the glove box. Now you're going to put the key in the on position and test the blower motor on all speeds, confirming you don't hear any odd noises coming from in this area. If you do, more than likely debris fell from on top of that cabin air filter down inside the blower motor. If that's the case, you're going to have to remove the blower motor and clean it out. Just go ahead and reinstall it afterward. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.